of course, we have applications or word problems. So first one we're going to look at is about price and cost and equilibrium values. In a free market economy, the price of a product is determined by the relationship between supply and demand. Suppliers, the people who are willing to supply their product, they love to do that at higher prices. So when the price is high, supply is high. If the relationship between price and supply is linear, then the graph of the price-supply equation is a line with positive slope, where x, the x-axis, is the number of items, and my y-axis would be the price of the item. Now, on the other hand, consumers of a product, people who are buying this, are generally less willing to buy a product at higher prices. So when the price is high, demand is low. If the relationship between price and demand is linear, then the graph of the price-demand equation is a line with negative slope. In a free, competitive market, the price of a product tends to move toward what's called an equilibrium price, in which the supply and demand are equal. That common value of the supply and demand is the equilibrium quantity. So this is referring to the x's, and that's the price of the item where they're in equilibrium. To find the equilibrium price, we solve the system consisting of the price-supply and price-demand equations. Any manufacturing company has cost, C, and revenues, R. The company will have a loss if the revenue is less than cost, will break even if revenue equals cost, and will have a profit if their revenue is greater than their cost. Costs involve two things. One's called fixed cost, such as plant overhead, product design, setup, promotion. The other one is variable cost, and these are dependent on the number of items produced at that certain cost per item. So my C of x, my cost, is equal to variable cost times x plus fixed cost. Revenue only involves selling price per item. So revenue is selling price times number of items sold. So I've got an example. A multimedia company produces DVDs. One-time fixed cost for a particular DVD are $48,000, which include costs such as filming, editing, and promotion. Variable costs amount to $12.40 per DVD and include the manufacturing, packaging, distribution costs for each DVD actually sold to a retailer. The DVD is sold to retail outlets at $17.40 each. How many DVDs must be manufactured and sold in order for the company to break even? Well, first we've got to go find our cost function. Remember, it's variable cost times x plus fixed. Now the part that varies here is this $12.40. Usually a giveaway is the per. So the cost would be $12.40 x plus that fixed cost of $48,000. Revenue, remember, is selling price times x. So the selling price is $17.40 times x. Find break even. Break even by definition is when revenue equals cost. So go get your revenue equation, set it equal to your cost, and you solve. So I would subtract $12.40 from both sides and then divide by 5. So x equals 9,600. Now it says how many DVDs must be manufactured and sold in order for the company to break even. They have to manufacture and sell 9,600 DVDs. Notice it didn't ask for anything else in this problem. It didn't ask about revenue. It didn't ask about cost. All it wanted to know is how many DVDs. So when you do word problems, read carefully and answer what they want you to find out. And that's it for this video. Thank you.